Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I am going to show you how to recreate this rose gold eyeshadow look, and I'm going to show you the products I used and how I use them. So yeah, if you're interested in that, then just keep on watching. I do want to say that I do have two separate giveaways going on right now. I have my 3K giveaway that doesn't end until I hit my 3K mark. So if you see that I'm not up to 3K yet and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so and click on that video. It will be in my description box below. And yeah, enter up in that giveaway. And then I have a separate giveaway going on right now. But the 3K one is international. But this one that I'm about to say, this one is like my July giveaway. And that doesn't end in, like, that's one only lasted 2 weeks. So it does end July 15th. But if you're watching this before July 15th, and you want to enter that and you live in the US, you can enter that, and that video will be in the description box also, and at an end card at the end of this video. But yeah, let's get on to this makeup look. So first I'm going to prime my eyelids with the Physicians Formula Concealer. Now I'm going to set my eyes with this Stack It Up color. Now I'm going to go in with my Colourpop the Zodiac palette from Kathleen Lights, and I'm going to go in with that Virgo color. It's a matte brown, and actually, no, I'm not. First, I'm going to go in with this, I don't even know what to call it, a mustard looking color called Game Changer. And I'm going to use this as my transition shade. And now I'm going to go in with that Virgo color, and I'm going to deepen up the outside corner with that color. Now I'm going to cut a crease using the Physicians Formula Concealer. And now I'm going to go with this rose gold color from the TETRIS IPSY collaboration palette. And it's called, what is it called? Block Party. Rose Gold Shimmer Shade. And I'm going to put that on top of that concealer. Now I'm going to make a cat eye using the Milani Eye Tech Extreme Liquid Eyeliner. And yeah, just create an eyeline with it. Alright, now I'm going to go over my eyeliner using the Smashbox Always Sharp Waterproof Kohl Eyeliner. Now I'm going in with my ARDELL Wispies in 113 Black. And I'm using my Kiss Lash Adhesive Glue. Alright, after that I'm going to go back in with the Physicians Formula Concealer to conceal my under eyes. Alright, after that, I'm going in with my Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation Brightening Complex. And this is MW2. And I'm going to use this for my foundation. Now I'm going to use the COVERGIRL Clean Professional Loose Powder to set my face. Now I'm going to go in with my Physicians Formula Bronze Booster to bronze up my face. Now I'm going to fill in my brows using the Colourpop Zodiac palette from Kathleen Lights, and I'm using the matte brown shade called the Virgo to set my brows. Now I'm going to blend my real lashes with my falsies and do my lower lash line with the Pixi Lash Booster Mascara. Now I'm going to do my blush slash highlight with the Pixi by Petra Beauty Blush Duo in Peach Honey. And now I'm going to put this Physicians Formula, the Healthy Lip Velvet Finish Lip Cream. And I'm going to put this on my lips. And now I'm going to set it all down with the Smashbox, the Hood Witch Photo Finish Love Ritual Primer Water in Jasmine and Rose. And I'm going to set the face. Now I'm going to go and do my hair and put on my clothes, and I will be right back with my intro and outro. Alright, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this rose gold eyeshadow look. And yeah, don't forget about the 2 giveaways I got going on my channel right now. It's the International 3K giveaway that doesn't end until I hit the 3K mark. It's in my description box below. You basically got until I hit that 3K mark. And then I also have the US only giveaway. It's like my July giveaway, and that ends July 15th. And that is like a Thrive Cosmetics CC cream, and that video will be linked in the description box also, and that one will be at the end card at the end of this video. Alright, I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies on my next video. Bye!